Susan. I'm taking this thrifted candlestick. I had spray painted it black a while back, and now I'm giving it a couple of coats of chalk paint, Waverly White chalk paint. And I'm taking this birdhouse I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm also painting the sides with Waverly chalk paint. The roof and around the bottom edge of the birdhouse I'm painting with this pretty celery paint. And it only took one coat for that. I distressed the candlestick just a little with some of this sandpaper, and then I glued my birdhouse on top, and I embellished it with these rose trinkets and the pretty ribbon that I got from BB Crafts. Somehow I lost some of the footage of me doing part of this. I don't know how that happened. And this is how it turned out. I think it is adorable. I love it. And I hate I lost the footage but basically all I did was wrap the ribbon around the bottom, the leaf ribbon, and I just embellished the top part with the roses. This challenge is a Craft Your Stash for spring and Easter, and this is hosted by Antoinette of Simple Yet Chic. She is so talented and so sweet. I highly encourage you to go check out her channel. I will have it listed in the description box down below, as well as the playlist. I love decorating this thrifted birdcage, and I've done it quite a few times. And I just glued half of a styrofoam ball down in the middle and just covered it with a Spanish moss. And I just cut apart my flowers and just added them here and there, just until I was happy with how it turned out. And I love decorating with flowers, and it screams spring to me, and it just brightens up your home. And here's my springtime birdcage, and it just makes me happy. Here's another simple project. I glue 3 jingle blocks together, and then I glue one at the bottom to make a stand. And I painted in the Waverly chalk paint in white, and I let it dry. Once it is dry, I just distress it a little bit, and I use these stickers from Dollar Tree, and I just add them on. And then I use some more of those little trinkets and glue them on for the flower. And I think it just turned out so cute, and it's just so simple. And this would be perfect for like a tiered tray. For my fourth and final project, I take this bamboo wreath from Dollar Tree, and I just add the flowers until I'm happy. And I love the flower where you have the bow at the bottom and then the swag of flowers coming up. So that's what I did, and I just made a simple bow, just a 1-loop bow, and just glued it to the top of the little tails and just embellished it with some pretty purple flowers. And I just kept adding until I was satisfied. And I just love how it turned out. Crafting doesn't have to be hard. It's just what you like to do. And I love doing wreaths. It's just something satisfying about it. And here are all of my projects. I love each and every one of them, and they were all simple. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you hadn't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Leave a comment, tell me what you think. And until next time, bye y'all.